Hi there, this is our Colchester Student 1800, well known English. We sell quite a few of them. This one's came out of a Polytech. It's in good working order. The only thing I notice is it's had a wee repair to the top drive pulley, which you'll see a photo of, but someone's made a really good job of that. And it doesn't come with a 4-jaw, but it's got the good late model spindle cam lock there. And so I'll start from the back. You'll see with the photos it's reasonably tidy there. You'll see under here you've got the light there. It hasn't got a bulb, so I'm not sure if that's working or not. Someone's made a new chuck guard up for it. It's got a relatively new quick change tool post fitted, which you can buy the holders for, etc. And then this end all looks pretty tidy as well. Alright, we'll start with the tail stock. That's moving nicely and the lock's working. And so is that. And it feels pretty good up inside there. The carriage itself's nice to move. And so is the cross slide. And a little bit of play, but very little. And that compound slide's nice to move, with again very little play there. I'll turn the coolant pump on. It doesn't have fluid in it, but that's ticking over there. It's got the e-stop fitted. Okay, I'll run you through the feeds first. So that's forward and the emergency brake, reverse. So I've got that running there. I'll run through the different speeds. I've got that ticking over. So that's running through nicely and changing there. I'll engage that carriage, so that's coming towards me and going in and out nicely, and if I am a bit rough, and I'll change that carriage direction, and now it's running that way. The feeds itself, I've just engaged that feed there, and so the carriage is feeding towards me. Disengage and then change it over to the cross slide, so that's coming back out towards you. So those are the feeds. It's going in and out nicely and they're all working as they should. I'll run you through the speed range. Put it in our lowest, so that's 22. 30. 40. 53. I'll take it up to the next range. 70. 94. 127. 170. Next range. 230. 305. 410. 555. Last range. 745. 1000. 1340. And last one, 1800. So there's the speed range. It changes gear nice, etc. And yeah, it's all set to go.